Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of documents not opening on the application of Slack. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter. In this page you can click on apps, on first stop, and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.